Total cost of this garden I'm showing you is under $100. This 2 foot by 3 foot mixing tray, 2 kiddie swimming pools. These plants are just now 30 days old. I'm going to be cutting a bunch of baby greens off of it. I like these pools the best when it comes down to everything else that I'm using, because you can put a lot more plants in it. Now these big totes, you can grow some big plants and a bunch of them. You'd be surprised how much you can put in them. $100, hydroponic, no power needed, and you can do it a lot cheaper just depending on how you do it. This setup over here, just think if you did 3 5-gallon buckets, they're under $5 a piece. You put your float level in it instead of using that expensive $10 little 7-gallon bucket. And I haven't even used 5 gallons out of this big tote that I have. I started off with one 5-gallon bucket on it. I figured, well, that's not going to be enough, but it works. You can grow a lot with 5 gallons. I will be running one of those in the near future and show you with a tomato plant just what it takes. There's probably 25 tomatoes on this plant, but I'll keep track of the fluid in this one. I'm going to be removing this tree I started as soon as it gets roots on it. It's probably going to come out this week, so we'll let you know. Like I say, these pools, that's the way to plant. I mean, look at all this stuff. You'll see more when I get it all trimmed, and it's going to let more stuff come up.